I'm Russ Mistretta from Porsche Buffalo, Master Brand Ambassador. I'm here to talk about Porsche's exclusive Manufacktur. Porsche's exclusive Manufacktur is a specialized area specific to customizing down to the final detail your new purchase. Your Porsche is brought to a private section of the factory where all the magic happens. Here, the exclusive options are hand-built and assembled to the vehicle with extra fine detail and care. Once done, it's carefully wrapped for transport. In this case, we'll be looking at the 911 Turbo S.
I'm Alex. I'm our Porsche Pro here at Porsche Buffalo. I'm here to talk a little bit more about Porsche exclusive Manufacktur, along with some of the personalization options that Porsche offers. With the Porsche exclusive Manufacktur program, one of the options is Sport Design Package in high gloss black. Included in the Sport Design Package is a reworked front bumper in high gloss black. Specific to this car, you get 911 Turbo S wheels painted in satin dark silver. The Sport Design Package also includes the exterior mirror, upper housing, and carbon fiber. Sport Design side skirts, rear side air intakes painted in high gloss black, rear air intake grille slats painted in high gloss black, the Porsche logo and Turbo S script in high gloss black, along with the clear taillights. The rear diffuser painted in high gloss black, along with the sport exhaust tailpipes painted in high gloss black. With the exclusive aluminum look gas cap. Moving into the interior, the first thing you'll see is the illuminated door sill guards. Personalized colored seat belts, these are in chalk. Interior trim inlays in the exterior color. Extended leather dash with leather steering column. GT Sport steering wheel in race text, along with the race text sun visors. And lastly, the Sport chrono dial in racing yellow.
If you're interested in taking part of the Porsche exclusive Manufacktur program, come into Porsche Buffalo. Any of our associates will be willing to help in our fitting lounge to customize and tailor your next Porsche.